As a pioneer in marine science, the Flanders Marine Institute, also known as Viss, will host the 7th edition of the World Conference on Marine Biodiversity.
The first World Conference on Marine Biodiversity was organized in November 2008 in Valencia in Spain. Now, each conference has over the years attracted numerous marine specialists, and each conference gives them the platform to get together and to exchange their knowledge and their expertise on all topics that are related to marine biodiversity.
We at Viss are honored with this opportunity, since we have had a clear mission since 1999.
Viss is a marine research performing institute funded by the Flemish government and the province of West Flanders. And Viss has the mandate to support the marine sciences in Flanders and Belgium. From the very start of our institute, we have focused on marine biological data, gather and federate data from all over the world in major data systems. And this has led to Viss participating as one of the major players with regard to marine biodiversity data and research in Europe and even worldwide.
The conference will be taking place in the concert hall of Bruges. This Belgian city has lots to offer, as it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Bruges also has a very strong link with science through one of its inhabitants in the Middle Ages, Simon Stevin. Simon Stevin was an inventor and a scientist, and he also contributed a lot to all the theories and the practical stuff that has to do with navigating on the seas.
The conference will help us achieve the goals set by the UN Ocean Decade, in which we have until 2030 to achieve a better ocean.
I could say this conference is a great opportunity for all participants to engage and be involved in an international initiative that is called the Ocean Decade. So the mission of the Ocean Decade is achieve the ocean we want with the science we need. So this way to involve is through activities, and this conference has been endorsed as an Ocean Decade activity because it supports and contributes to the SDG 14 and as well to the mission and vision of the Ocean Decade.
Would you like to know more about the biodiversity research being conducted at Viss and at an international level? Join us at the World Conference on Marine Biodiversity in Bruges.